Hello everyone and welcome to the first video in the Europe in Ruins new player tutorial. We're going to be showing you first and foremost right here how to access the game and how to download it from Steam and how to properly install it. It's all a very simple process now that we're on Steam, and I'll walk you through it. By the way, my name is Illegal Carrot and I am the community manager for Europe in Ruins. So I'm just putting this together here for you. Hope you enjoy it. So here we are. Let's start off right here on the Europe in Ruins Steam page. Now, you can find that on Steam. It's very simple to find us. All you got to do is type in Europe in Ruins, or even if you just type in Europe in, we are the first one, we are the top result. So click on that, and here we are on our page. Now, here's our Steam page, as you can see, wham and bam. But like any good Steam page, we also have this here Install Now button. So go ahead and click Install Now right there. It's going to pop up this window here where you're going to have to decide where exactly to install the Europe in Ruins mod. Now, here's the thing with EIR. Because this is a mod of Company of Heroes, you need to install Europe in Ruins, the mod, into the same spot, into the same folder, into the same directory. So make sure you're installing it into the same place. Me, for example, this is what mine is going to look like right here in the C drive because I have mine installed on the C drive. So go ahead and do that. Make sure they're installed in the right place, and it is going to install just like any other game on Steam. So you see here now, first we are downloading some redistributables, and these are necessary in order to make sure that Europe in Ruins works correctly on all platforms. So there we go. That takes just a second to download, and then you see Europe in Ruins here. We've got 1.8 gigabytes to download for EIR, and that's because we have a lot of new content in addition to Company of Heroes. We've really added a lot of new features, a lot of new models, a lot of new units, a lot of new stuff, and it really changes the experience here. But this video is really just to show you how to download it. So you can see it's downloading here just like any other game on Steam. And let's skip ahead to when we're finished downloading, shall we? Okay, and here you see Europe in Ruins has finished downloading just like any other game. Of course, you can find it right on in here in your library. You can label it just like any other game. I've labeled mine in my C drive because that is where I have it, along with base Company of Heroes. And there you have it. Europe in Ruins is successfully installed and you can play it. So simply hit play. This will bring up our auto updater, which simply does a double check of all the files, make sure they're valid and correct. Takes just a moment. Oh, here you go. Here's a download. That's exactly what it looks like if something needs to be synced up. And here you go. So now you have successfully installed and activated Europe in Ruins. Here is our launcher application. As you can see here, it is working in Steam. Here's bringing up the Steam compatibility. You can do an awful lot of stuff here from the Steam view, which is really nice. It works both for the launcher and in-game while you're playing in-game, which is nice. And, you know, from here, this is the screen you log in, and I will be covering what to do next exactly on the next one.